Lady Bird is Greta Gerwig's love letter to Sacramento.
And there are 18-ish noteworthy locations filmed in Sacramento that show this love. First is the American Market on 24th and N. And fun fact, the cashier that plays the cashier in the movie is the real-life cashier for the American Market that sells Lady Bird her first porno. Next is Lady Bird's favorite house, the Big Blue House, where she eats Thanksgiving dinner. But the interior shots of the Thanksgiving dinner was actually filmed in another Fab 40 house down the street. Next is the location of a weird teenage romantic moment, the Rose Garden in McKinley Park. The movie also shows some neat Sacramento business signage located here, 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 and here. The movie also shows two of Sacramento's coolest theaters, the Crest Theater and the Tower Theater, where the movie's premiere was filmed. In the driving scenes, the movie also shows off some of Sacramento's neater bridges. The J Street Bridge and Jibboom Street Bridge. And of course, the movie shows off Sacramento's most famous bridge, the Tower Bridge. Lady Bird says that her house is located on the wrong side of the tracks.
Lady Bird always says that she lives on the wrong side of the tracks.
Greta Gerwig explains that she was thinking of the tracks that cut off East Sacramento.
But I always thought that it was like a metaphor. But there are actual train tracks.
So right now we're on the wrong side of the tracks. And now we're on the right side. And they're ran red light a little bit.
The grocery store scenes seem to be inspired from the grocery store Corti Brothers on Folsom Boulevard. And Lady Bird's high school experience may be influenced by St. Francis High School, where director Greta Gerwig attended. And lastly is my favorite location the movie filmed, Thrift Town, the best thrift store in Sacramento County.